Hi everybody, it's Mr. Regner, and I wanted to share with you this resource that hopefully is not new, hopefully you're using, but I fear that it may be underutilized. So I wanted to kind of make this video and show you some really nice ways to use it. This is my missing work list for language arts and social studies. So if you have me for language arts or social studies, your name might appear on here. I put retakes on here, I put missing work on here, all that stuff contained in this document. It gets a little bit messy because there's so much stuff on here. So there's a button up at the top. The top toolbar here is what I'm referring to. If you don't see it, you may have it like hidden. You may have to click the button to show it. And I'm looking at this tool right here. So when I hover over it, it says Filter Views. So you can find the Filter Views. And again, if you don't see it in your screen, you might have to click a button to expand that toolbar so you can see it. When I click on Filter Views, I've hidden some of the information here. You won't see this top part. I see that as an editor, but down here is what you will see. So you can look at it just by homeroom. So if you just want to look at your homeroom, you can do that. And then down here, grayed out or blurred out is everybody's name. So you can find your individual name. It's alphabetized by first name, and you can click on that. So I'm going to click on one person's, bloop, right there. Name is blurred out, but you can see this person currently is missing 2 assignments. Now to go back, I just click on this X. Now the nice thing is you don't need to look at everybody else's work. You're only concerned about yourself. I'm going to pick another person here. Boop. Whoa, look at that. Now this person has no missing assignments, so clearly there's nothing here for them. All right, so again, just wanted to point this out to you that Filter View is going to be an easy way to find your missing work. So if you're ever sitting around in Academic Assist or at home and you're like, boy, I feel like there's something I should be working on, maybe you want to check your missing work list and use that Filter View to guarantee it's your stuff. Now I will tell you that I update that manually, so as you turn in work, it doesn't automatically come off of there. That's up to me to delete. Also up to me to add things on there. Now if I get behind or whatever, I may not have it up to date at all times. So you always want to be aware of things that you're missing, things that you've done and turned in. Hopefully you're aware of those things and you know they might be on the list, but you've already done them. All right. If you have questions about this or anything else, please feel free to reach out to me. You can email me. You can talk to me in class. You can use smoke signals, although I probably won't respond to those. But anyway, have a great day. I hope this has been helpful. And please, please, please get your work done.